Imagine you are 60 years old. You open your bank account. And you realize you cannot afford to stop working. That is the reality for millions of people. And the scary part is it starts with mistakes you are making right now. Today we are talking about the biggest retirement planning mistakes. These are the exact mistakes that keep people broke in their old age. If you are young right now, this video can completely change your future. Mistake 1: time delay. Most people think they have time. They say I will start later. But later turns into never. Time is your biggest advantage. If you start at age 25 with just $100 a month, you can build massive wealth. If you start at 35 with the same amount, you will end up with far less. The difference is not effort. The difference is time. Mistake 2: only saving. Saving money feels safe, but it is not enough. If your money is just sitting in a bank, it is losing value every year. Prices go up, your money does not. This means your future lifestyle is getting weaker, even if your bank balance looks bigger. Mistake 3: ignoring free money. Many jobs in the US offer retirement plans. Some companies even match your contributions. That means they give you free money. But most people ignore it. They skip it. They delay it. This is like someone offering you money, and you saying no. Mistake 4: lifestyle trap. Every time people earn more, they spend more. New phone, better car, expensive lifestyle. Nothing is left for the future. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly destroys your long-term wealth. Mistake 5: fear of investing. People say investing is risky. They say they do not understand it, so they do nothing. But doing nothing is the biggest risk. Information is everywhere. Learning is easy. The real problem is fear. Mistake 6: one income dependence. Most people depend on one income source, their job. If that job is gone, everything stops. Smart people build multiple streams. They invest. They create side income. They build passive income. Mistake 7: no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, unexpected problems. If you have no emergency fund, you are forced to break your investments. This ruins your long-term growth. Mistake 8: starting too late. The worst moment is realizing too late. When you are 50 or 60, you cannot go back in time. You cannot fix lost years. That regret is real, and it is painful. Solution: start early. Invest consistently. Use employer benefits. Control your lifestyle. Keep learning. Simple actions, massive results. The choices you make today will decide your future. You can build freedom, or you can build regret. The decision is yours. Retirement planning may feel boring today, but one day, it will be the reason you are free.